Taking into account of the significant figures, what is the value of 9.99 meter minus 0.0099 meters? First step, we'll simply write the values 9.99. Below, under that, we'll write 0.0099 and we'll perform subtraction as usual. 9, 10, 9, 10. Perform the basic subtraction and we get this value 9.9801. According to the rule of addition and subtraction, our final answer can't have any more significant figures to the right of the decimal than the least number of significant figures in any number in the problem. Our first number has 2 digits after the decimal, so our final answer can't have any more than 2 significant digits after the decimal. So our final answer is 9.98. We'll exclude the 0 1 part. The correct option is option 4.